Here's extremely aggressive trade in front of you, traders. Let's discuss why is this so aggressive. This is overextended rally. Alpha Fibonacci software identified critical support levels. Intelligent trader understands that bullish rally overextended. Intelligent trader protecting profits. Intelligent trader trailing very carefully. You witnessed what played out on previous trade when price collapsed instantly from this target. Here's this target again. Software giving us multiple trades. Intelligent trader understands in this very dangerous market conditions, precision is especially critical. Only option this morning to buy extremely high. Intelligent trader trails very carefully. If you remember what played out on previous trade, adjusting your trail is critical and crucial. Speculation in this market conditions never ever an option. Again and again and again. What you learned with Alpha Fibonacci system is very simple. You learn to never ever short into support. This morning we were dealing with overextended bullish rally, but this support had shown to us, do not short. You would never want to drive your Ferrari into a brick wall, would you? Lewis Hamilton knows that. This morning, this is your only option, despite the rally being extremely high. Let's review why is this such an aggressive second trade. This is where the price is now, traders. Here, 2750 level. This is a chart been present in the trading room for over a month. It's a world of difference if you're buying the bottom of 2200 level, which Alpha Fibonacci traders have done, and 2300 level, and 2400 level versus 2750. World of difference. Intelligent trader knew days and weeks in advance. Shorts near this level is not an option. Let's convert this chart to 5-minute chart so you can see what played out. Poor shorts are in trouble. Shock or not, we knew this in advance. Not the place to short near. And if I convert this chart to 3, identical formula remains. However, it is not 2200 level. It is not. It is 550 points later. And that would make a world of difference. Agree? If you understand the difference between buying the bottom versus buying high, let me remind you what the market looked like before it reached this stunning level. This was S&P on March 11th. On the news, market in free fall. On the chart, market rallying from 2700 to 2880. 180 points bullish rally non-stop. Market makers making the news. Market makers love the panic and negativity. On the chart, price is rallying. Intelligent trader understands the power of alpha Fibonacci support. Here is 2400 level next. Here's 2400 level, ladies and gentlemen, another stunning place to buy, post, hold, time and time again. Intelligent strategic alpha Fibonacci traders buying the bottom. There is no good news. On the news, market crashing. On the chart, S&P is rallying. Short from resistance, short from 2700. That's what the price looked like at the ultimate bottom, where buyers stepped in from. It's alpha Fibonacci reversal zone where market rallying from. But when the trade reaches the top, brilliant intelligent trader is not surprised where price is crashing from. We agree? That's the reason I named this proprietary level alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. You never enter into. You exit your long position, no matter what instrument you trade. And that's a world of difference. Buying the bottom in the month of March, when in the news market was crashing. On the chart, we witnessed time and time again flawless inception of bullish rally. And that's what intelligent traders have done time and time and time again. That's the reason alpha Fibonacci traders having the best months ever. It was day traders' dream to buy the bottom on S&P and gold. And if you listen to David's podcast, and if you read the David story, this is what David have done in the months of March, killing it on average 40 points on Dow, 80 points per day with one contract. That's what David does on average now. My goodness. Gold 49 ticks this morning, 2 trades, oil 10, Dow 28 points. You decide what you want to trade. Carlton, third morning, learning clearly the most important rule. 2 trades, well before we opened up, 9 points on same. So when I work with institutional traders, they require to double demo before they ever trade live. Second morning in a row, Carlton trading without hand holding brilliantly only on demo. Because Carlton knows if he plays by the rules, it will not be a problem to trade like David does. Week 3, 4, 5, 6 in the course. Flawless performance. Both David and Carlton and all other traders know. Never, ever buy into alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. As you're witnessing in front of you right now. Did we know or did we know? Of course. It never gets old, I promise. That's the power and precision of the system. Buy from support, sell from resistance. Rules are met, take a trade. But if I take you back on S&P Weekly, which is loved by option traders and investors, this is what S&P looked like in the middle of 2019. Bullish rally in a progress. And when bullish rally heading higher and S&P reaches reversal zone, is anyone surprised that S&P crashed? Should not be. You're witnessing S&P 1-minute chart in front of you, but that's exact same thing that's played out on long-term charts. Identical alpha Fibonacci level. And we know all critical targets to the downside. Do you remember how much S&P was rallying from 2400 level? It's not because it was little day trading reversal zone, it's because it was institutional support. Are you surprised why S&P skyrocketed so much from 2200? It's not because it was little baby day trading level, it's because it was institutional support. That's why. Black and white. If you trade with institutions, 2200 was a dream, where S&P skyrocketed from 600 points plus. And that's the power of this system that intelligent trader knows. If you can trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oil, gold, S&P Dow, you can trade weekly in your sleep, spending few minutes in front of your screen, all in advance, never after the fact. Obey Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is a lesson this morning. Do not speculate. Do not gamble. Be proactive strategic trader. It's black and white. We absolutely expected reversal because that's what price does time and time again, no matter what you trade, no matter if it's Apple, pound, euro, cryptocurrency, oil, or any stock. That's what price does again and again and again on every instrument. So please give yourself a very big favor. Listen to podcasts and view what students do. As almost the students you are seeing in the room right now sharing with the world their stories, their journeys, their success, their struggle, their pains, their victories. Traders from beginner to hedge fund manager, inspiring others to trade rule-based system strategically without any speculation, without any random trading. And if you viewed and listened what students accomplish on the reviews and viewed our YouTube library with over 1,000 of videos, please identify which program is appropriate for you. First time ever, we are offering the biggest discount ever, the most popular course, Group Mentoring with Software. Private mentoring is almost completely booked until next year. I have only one spot left. So please take advantage of the biggest discount ever, and if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. I love what I do, and I always look forward to speaking with you. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.